Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So in the box you will find another white box here on top, and if you turn it and open it you will see here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this to release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now below the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter it in the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in that SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top and optional if you want a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Let's start now with the first SIM card. Place it like this, so fix it well, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card and it belongs here to the missing corner on the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add now on the other side a second SIM card. So same thing. Also press it well, that's where I insert it. And this is how it should look like. Also your missing corner on missing corner. And as well the SIM contacts are on top. Okay, and if you're ready with it, you can put your construction back into the phone. So the first SIM card is always on top. Huh? Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.